For years, Terraform was the undisputed king of the whole IAC or the infrastructure as code landscape of the whole cncf, but back in 2023, its creator HashiCorp actually changed its license, effectively signaling towards the end of the whole Terraform as a truly open source kind of a project in the whole community. In response, the community launched Revelation, or kind of a side project, a fork, to keep the IAC always open forever, open source forever. This project was known as the OpenTofu. It's known as the OpenTofu. OpenTofu is a community-driven open source IIC tool that's being managed by the Linux Foundation. It's a direct drop-in replacement of the Terraform's last open source version. This means that you can use the same commands that were being used in the Terraform as well. By default, you can use the same declarative language as well. That was the HashiCorp communication language, of the HCL. To deploy your infrastructure, you can even use the existing .tf files and modules without any particular modifications. So it could be a lot more, seamlessly you can integrate your environments and switch from the Terraform to the OpenTofu. But OpenTofu is not just a mere copy; it's a lot more. It's designed to be a lot more lighter, as well as new features with a lot more flexibility as compared to the Terraform at the moment. It's a lot more truly open source. Unlike Terraform's new restricted license, OpenTofu is published under the Mozilla public license, or the MPL, ensuring it remains truly open source forever by the and being managed by the developer communities as well of the Linux Foundation. Community driven, it's been managed and governed by the Linux Foundation, ensuring it's vendor neutral and agile, with the features and bug fixes emerging from the real world community needs. Seamless mitigations is also being designed to straightforward and even reversible. You can simply just back up your state and code to install the OpenTofu and run OpenTofu in it, just like the Terraform in it, along with the Terraform, and your existing state files and providers are fully compatible along with the OpenTofu as well, the same way in which the Terraform was being provided to the other developers as well as to the project owners and maintainers. OpenTofu allows you to use the same familiar workflow of writing the configurations, creating a plan, and then applying the changes to the infrastructure. It ensures that the future of infrastructure always remains in the hands of the community, and it gives you the confidence to build your infrastructure without the risk of vendor lock-in policies or the licensing concerns either. That was all about the OpenTofu. There's a lot more to know about this particular project. So if you want to know more about this amazing project, then just tag the OpenTofu community as well as also the CNCF Foundation, Terraform, HashiCorp, and a lot of other landscape projects, and I'll make a dedicated video for that project for free. Till then, thanks a lot. Radhe Radhe.